Hello everyone, and welcome to our weekly Forex forecast for June 29th to July the 3rd. I'm super excited to bring this video to you. We saw quite some wonderful, profitable moves in the pairs we analyzed for last week, and basically I'll be looking at some pairs that would likely give us some good profits this week. Also remember we're going into a new month in about 2 days into the trading week. That will be by Wednesday. That will be the 1st of July. And as such, we'll also look at what the price is going to look like on a weekly basis, uh, and look at how the month is most likely to end. Right now, I'm looking at my charts and I'm on the pound dollar pair. And before I go on, I also like to say that this video is for educational purposes only. As such, you would need sound financial advice, putting your money out there in the market. So basically, we'll be starting with the pound dollar pair. I also want to say if you're new to this channel and these videos are beneficial to you, click the like button. If you're new, subscribe so you'll be notified when I bring new videos out. Now, without further ado, let's look at what the pound dollar pair is going to do for this week. So, what do you do when the markets open on Monday? First of all, I'm looking at the weekly time frame, and from what we have here, we see that we had we've had 2 weeks of bearish price action, and we have something like an inverted hammer here. But basically, looking as if prices might stall around here, doesn't look. This past week didn't have so much momentum going downwards. But basically, based on the price action, I'm expecting more bearishness with this move. Yes, we should have a retracement before going downwards, but I'm expecting more bearishness with this move, believing we're going to see price get down to the 1.2165 area. Uh, let's look at the monthly time frame and look at what prices have done for this month. We see that we have something like although of course the month is not yet over, we have something like a gravestone doji, or let's say a dragonfly doji. But that will be, we can look at this when markets officially close in 2 days' time for the month. But let's go to the daily time frame and look at what price action looks like there. Now, here we have something that looks like a double bottom, but basically, because we've had this bearish price action, what we've seen is prices have broken and closed below the 1.2390 area, went back, retraced, and has closed again below it, indicating that price action is most likely coming downwards. If you saw my video for 2 weeks, was it 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago? I looked at the price action going up this way, and I said we most likely will have bearish price action coming down up to the 1.2165 area. First of all, we might have um, reactions around this area. Uh, then we most likely would continue lower based on this bearish price action we've had in March. So for this week, yeah, what I'm expecting is a retracement back into the 1.2390 area and continuing downwards to 1.2165 area. The next I will looking at is the pound Canadian dollar pair. And for this also, when we look at the price action on a daily basis, what we have here is we have bearish price action for We had it in May and then some parts of June. And now, basically, what we have here, we've had a break and close below the most recent low, and prices have gone to retest that zone, and we have a very good bearish candle that closed for Friday. And so, based on what we have here, we just look forward to a slight retracement to the 1.70 handle, or maybe we might not get up to that area, and we would most likely continue down to the downside. First of all, we have to break and close below the 1.68 handle. After then, we'll be looking at going as low as the 1.6650 area. But basically, till we see that break and close below this area, then we can begin to sell. But you can, let's look at the forward time frame to get a better look at this. We might have, yeah, that retracement to this area, and before we continue lower to this place, to the 1.680 handle. When we get a break and close below that, we'll be looking forward to going lower. The next I'll be looking at is gold. What's gold likely to do this week? Let's look at the weekly time frame. For the weekly time frame, what we have here is we seen price close above the 177 1746 area, uh, broke and closed above it, and so we can see resumed bullishness with the gold commodity. So basically, what do we expect on for this week and on Monday? I'll be expecting prices to retrace into the 1746 area and continue to the upside. Uh, the next level of resistance here is at 1801. It depends on what price action does. We might get quite close to that area, but not reach it. Let's look at lower time frames to get a clearer picture of what price is likely to do. Here you've seen price, yeah, break and close above the 1746 handle, retraced it and has closed quite bullish. So for Monday, we'll expect a pullback into the 1754, 1755 area. We could really get as low as the 1746 broken resistance that has turned to a support right now, before we look forward to going higher. Basically, I'm looking at a bullish gold commodity for this week, but I'm expecting that retracement first into this area and for us to continue higher. The next I'll be looking at is the dollar Canadian dollar pair. For this pair, I said last week, for last week, my analysis was looking forward to getting as high as the 1.39 handle. We are not quite there yet. We saw quite some bullish price action, but rather slow. So for this week, what am I expecting? I'm expecting prices to come down to preferably retest the 1.3685 area and continuing higher to break the 1.3715 handle. If we have a break and close above that, we'll be looking forward to seeing prices get to the 1.3970 area. But basically, on my radar, I'll be looking forward to seeing that retracement first of all, and a reversal candle that is key around this zone for us to continue higher. The next pair I'll be looking at is the euro dollar pair. For this pair, what do I expect for this week? Uh, at first, yeah, about 2 weeks ago, I said we're expecting prices to be bearish, and we've had that bearish move. I'm still looking forward to having more bearishness with this pair. Why? Yeah, this is my pitchfork, and based on what price action has done, we can see price action come down into this area and has given us a lower high. So I'm expecting more bearishness with the euro dollar pair. Uh, Looking forward to seeing price get as low as the 1.10, yeah, 1050 area, 1050 area from where it is now. But what do we do on Monday? We're looking forward to a pullback into the 1.1260 area for us to continue lower. We pull back first into this 1.1260 area, then get a reversal from here, and we'll be going further to the downside. I also want to look at the Australian dollar yen pair, the Aussie yen pair. Yeah, for this pair, quite interested in this pair because we've seen uh, some bit of bearish price action in the past 2 weeks. Last week we saw prices react at the 72.65 area, and has given us some bit of bullishness here. So basically, we're looking forward to more bullishness in the Aussie yen pair. Uh, let's zoom in a bit into the lower time frames, see what price is likely to do. Uh, the price action we have here, I'm expecting price to retest the 72.60 area, 6560 area around here, and look forward to getting a reversal pattern around there for us to go higher. If we get a break and close below the 72.65 area, we're looking forward to more bearishness in the pair, going as low as the 71.50 handle. And that will be the last pair I'll be looking at for this week. Um, if you want me to look at some other pairs, I would like you to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll do sure follow up with you and look at such pairs as you are interested in. With that said, I would say keep it safe, uh, keep watching this channel, and stay safe, trade safely. See you in the next video. Bye for now.